Okay, I'm gonna connect to the gripper. You have the setup list waypoint. So this home point is A, and then I'm gonna control it, go to B to grip this. So okay, pretty good. So now I will use this button to close it. Let's close the gripper. Okay. It's not closed yet, so now we will slowly close it and make sure it will slowly to grip. And when the force sensor here reach about 50, it's pretty light to make sure not to deform this object. So here we go. Yeah, you can see. And then go to the next waypoint. Go to C. Right. Slowly. And finally, we go to D, where the gripper open and release the object. Yes. Now we can use the button 3 to open the object. And then return the gripper to home. Not so smooth, but here we are. Alright. Then the one. Okay, for demo 2, we will try to grab different object, which is this very heavy metal ball. And now we're gonna connect to the gripper. This heavy metal ball is very heavy to compare to this sponge. So we have 2 buttons here. The first button we use to grab the light object, which is very slightly force applied to this object, so it makes sure it's not deformed. But for very heavy objects like this light button will not able to hold the object in the air. So now we're going to test it, and we will try to use different button for the heavy objects here, which is grab very strong. Yep. So we're gonna control the gripper, go to this version to get the grip, grab the object. Okay, so first we're gonna here and use it to lightly grab the object. Okay, so the object is great. Go to the blue point. You can see it's very heavy, so I might help the gripper. You can see it's just slide down. So now we try to the next one. Let's just strongly grip the object. Okay, so let me open this first. Okay. Oh, sorry. I use this one to strongly grab the object, which will grip until it have the feedback from the force sensor that the force is enough, and this is stop. So now I think it's enough already, and we try it again with this previous experiment to lift up. So now we try to help the, you can see it's not slide down, so I think the force here is enough. Yeah. And let's go to the final waypoint. It's very heavy, so we will have a very hard time. Yeah, here. Oh God. Yes, and then release. Open. Yeah. Okay. So that's all.